Leadership Core is a 5-day immersive experience where leaders or emerging leaders can come in and find out exactly what type of leader they want to be and be in a safe environment to say, how does this look on me? When we can help leaders move from fixing mentality to ownership mentality, that's where I think the real growth happens. That then shows up in my leadership. The team then sees the confidence, the trust, the awareness, and then can turn around and model some of that same behavior. This is a place for you to practice becoming more aware and trusting yourself in a different way to then go back to your real world leadership life and be able to have tactical, tangible things to be able to combat difficult situations. I think a mindset shift that individuals can go through, especially through Leadership Core, is moving from blame to partnership, collaboration, a leadership pathway that supports coaching and healthy team dynamics. If you were to attend Leadership Core, I would hope you would take away these two things: coaching questions and moving from curiosity to collaboration, as well as being able to model the way, creating change, managing change, and understanding where your team members can be to create resourcefulness and resilience in your team.